If you're looking to improve your credit score, Credit Fresh might catch your eye. Most people get this wrong. They think all credit repair services are the same. The surprising truth is that Credit Fresh offers a mix of automation and personal assistance, but results vary depending on your credit profile and diligence. Credit Fresh helps users by reviewing their credit reports, disputing inaccuracies, and providing guidance on boosting credit scores. It connects with major credit bureaus and can automate the dispute process for errors like late payments, collections, or reporting mistakes. The platform also provides educational resources to help you understand factors affecting your credit. One of the biggest advantages is convenience. You can manage disputes and track progress online without handling complex paperwork. For beginners, this simplifies the often confusing credit repair process. Credit Fresh also offers insights and recommendations to build a stronger financial profile over time. However, there are limitations. Credit repair takes time, and no service can instantly fix your credit. Fees can vary depending on the plan, and success depends on the validity of disputes and your own financial habits. It's not a substitute for responsible credit use, timely payments, or reducing debt. In conclusion, Credit Fresh is useful if you want guided credit repair and automated dispute management. It's best suited for those who are proactive, patient, and looking to improve their financial health over time. If this review helped you understand whether Credit Fresh is right for you, subscribe for more honest reviews, credit tips, and strategies to build strong financial habits.